Hey there, friends. This is the man behind the mic and the guy pushing all the buttons. I am Josh, and welcome to EVA Trades. That's YVA Trades. And what you see before you is the Thinkorswim platform. And today, I'm going to be trading on a simulator as I continue working to perfect my strategy. Now, I do plan to trade real money while live streaming in the near future, so do stay tuned for that. So today, you're welcome to join me and follow along as I place real trades on the simulator and share with you what I've learned about the stock market and trading within it. So do remember that trading is risky, and as always, please trade in a simulator to develop a strategy that produces consistent results for you before you put real money on the line. So the stocks we'll be trading today are from the stock scanner that is called Trade Ideas. I do call it that, but I didn't name it. So I've uploaded the data from Trade Ideas into my own custom-made scanner so that I can go back in time and trade any day in the past, which is what I'll be doing today. So the three stocks you see here are the leading tickers in the market this morning. And primarily, we'll just be using the 1 minute and the 5 minute time frames, occasionally looking at the 15 and the hourly. So with 5 minutes to go till the market opens, let's break them down. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and push play. And what I actually need to do first is set the time. I haven't done that yet. How dare I start a video without first setting the time? And I can come down here, and I'm just waiting right now for the charts to update. Make sure all of my computers show 625. Oh man, I got something else happening too. They're playing, so I have to pause them all first. My apologies. And then I'm going to hit reset, or not reset, but set time again. Okay. And there we go. Now I'm going to push play. I'm going to push this button, and you'll see up here, my mouse goes up and clicks play. I've always found that fascinating how I can program my computer to make the mouse do things without me actually moving the mouse. So these are the stocks: PPSI, MITQ, and RBLX. The first thing I'm going to do is look at the highs and see, hey, we're 420. So I'm going to set my margins. This will be $5. This will be $2, and I'm going to set this one at $34. So let's go down here so we can see this. $5. I've already set this one. This one is going to be $2, and I have to go up here and click show so that these stay on top. And $34. Okay. And then I'm going to set my in-betweens. I'm going to wait a little bit, kind of let things move a little further along before I set my stop losses. Meanwhile, we can put some lines. If you're familiar with pivots, there is a pivot right there. We have the high of the move. We have a pullback here. We have, a support. So we have a couple of supports. I don't always play off all of these lines, but I do like to mark them out, put these levels in to keep an eye on as possible places to enter. If you recall, I traded Roblox the other day and did pretty well. I was pretty excited that it was the first time I'd ever traded Roblox. And you see here how PPSI just bounced off that level. Nice bounce off the pivot. Excuse me. Okay, I'm going to set my in-between levels, 9 to 14. What's halfway? We'll say 11 cents. On this one, I'm just going to go with 4 cents and 17. 11, 4, and 17. Sounds good. Show you what I'm doing. I think you already know. 4. So I did 11. Now I'm doing 4. and 17. So that we're ready to go, ready to place some trades right away. Okay. So the gap up scanner this morning has about 15 stocks on it. I only pulled PPSI off of the gap scan. The other two actually came off of the high of day momentum scanner, because the gap scan, while it's full of gappers, none of them have volume except for PPSI. So we could take a look at the larger time frames here for a minute. There's your 15 and your hourly. Hourly's across the top, 15 minutes across the bottom. Here we're looking at a possible 15-minute downtrend. Bears looking for continuation. Possible entry down here off the $1.21 to go long. On this one we have almost this like inverse head and shoulders pattern here. You know, you got a shoulder and then you got a head, another shoulder. Can we break out? It's not quite textbook, but it is kind of there. It's this line is kind of heading up a little bit. Oh, my apologies. I didn't even have it up on the charts. Here's that head and shoulders I was talking about right here. Inverted head and shoulders. I'll remove that neckline. So you got your shoulder, your head, and the next shoulder, and you want to break out over 33.73. And if you missed it, what I was talking about earlier, where was... Maybe I missed it. Maybe I missed it. Oh, yeah, we're looking at the larger time frames. Here's what I was talking about earlier, a bounce off of this 397 support right here. So the market's about to open now. I'm not sure at this moment where my first trade could be. I'm going to watch the volume, make sure we get nice volume on these stocks. This one, I have no doubt we'll see some good volume. So if that's where it pulls back and then continues higher from here, that'd be something. But then I'm kind of wondering where my entry might be. That candle is 17 cents. Got some resistance points there. Okay, I'm buying MITQ. And I'm jumping into PPSI. MITQ is a little tricky because it's coming up against that VWAP, and PPSI, of course, it might just pull back down to 390. So we could have a couple losses in a row here. Yep, took a loss on MITQ. And if I do take a loss here on PPSI, I'm going to sit back maybe and just wait for a while and kind of see what happens, how the day develops before taking another trade. But I want to see if the $4 level area will hold this 397 and maybe the VWAP. Nothing popping up on my scanner yet. And if I look at the hourly, the high of pre-market, well, post-market and pre-market is 420. Well, so I've got my limit order, my target is at 425. So we definitely have to get over that high of pre-market to hit that $200 mark. Now here comes MITQ down to that $1.21 area. I might consider that a quality setup. Roblox trying to move higher. Wow. Somebody slapped me. Holy camoly. I can't tell what's happening. I want to get in that, but it's like the candle's completely frozen up. And there, I jumped in it there. And I can't sell it because I can't see my limit orders here. Oh. Oh. That's tricky. Okay, I stopped out on PPSI. Boy, it's really difficult when the charts are like freezing up like that. I'm just going to jump back out there. Yeah, Roblox just really freezing up. I can see the price ladder moving up and down on Roblox. You see that, but the candle is just frozen, so it's hard for me to distinguish what the patterns might be because of that. You can see I'm down. On the first two, and gonna take a loss there too. Wow, that is pretty rough. So getting off to a rough start here today, that happens. I've had that happen a lot. So let's take a look at where the P&L is right now. So down 397. We need a good trade. Something amazing. I see GLBE on the stock scan. Okay. Okay, I need to pause. You see how GLBE is frozen up. So I'm going to pause that. I'm going to back this up, say 20 seconds. So I'll go back to... This just kind of resets the server, I guess, on my end, so that the charts will... You can actually start to see the charts move. Roblox putting in a nice bounce off of 2380. Sure is a whippy stock right now. Alright. And then I have to reset the times so it resets on the other computers to match this computer. Yeah, it's kind of a pain. You don't have to worry about this live trading. When live trading. So right now, being down almost $400, it's a good time to take a step back and just kind of figure out what the right move might be. Now, GLBE on the hourly was actually a gap down stock. Boy, Roblox looks like it wants to overtake the VWAP here again, but I don't know. I got shaken out on that a couple times already, or no, just the one time. I'm just not sure. 1750 on this, huh? That candle is 43 cents. I put in a join the bid there and see if it comes back to get me. What time is it? 6:37, 41 seconds. Uh-oh. That. That's a close one. Makes me nervous. I'm getting in when it's pretty extended. See how in each of these candles the low has been holding? So if we can see a continuation of that, then I should be okay here. There's my target up around $18. I'm curious to see what the daily chart looks like. We can take a look at that here. So there isn't a resistance at $18. That's good. It's already made a pretty big move today. So we will see. Looks like it's curving around, like it might lose that pattern of a higher low every time. But you never know. Joining the bid on Roblox. Gonna have a new 5-minute candle. It just did not want to break out there. I don't like the upper wicks on Roblox. And stopped out. Well, folks, it's not my day so far. It's alright, but it needs to turn around here soon or I might have to stop. As a second red day in a row. That's something to be aware of too. Once you start having red days, they do tend to congregate together. That's been my experience. I'd like to see GLBE actually hit my target. I mean, right now, well, it was showing like 123 in profit had I sold it. I'm kind of hoping against hope here that it'll go up and hit that $18 mark. And there goes Roblox again. Gosh. that might, I don't know. Boy, look at the volume profile on that. Just smooth, down she goes. I really would love to see Roblox hit that high. Can Roblox make me a winner this morning for the first time? There we go. So that's nice. That puts me back to green on Roblox. Really watching GLBE. It had a red candle there, but still held the lows. Kind of tempted to sell here. Yeah, I'm gonna just sell GLBE, and I know, oh wow, that was bad timing, wasn't it? I hate it when that happens, and sometimes that is the way it goes. So, I hope I had it on the charts there, I'm not sure if I did, but here's my P&L so far on the day. So I am still down, but not by as much as I was. Remember, I was down by about 400, now I'm down by 170. So, got a little bit of a hill to climb here still. That just kind of like, well, yeah, if I had held that, that would have been an extra, $80 there. It's okay. So now, Roblox, are you going to pull back? It already did, didn't it? Kind of into that area. Nice volume here, declining volume on the pullback. I could continue to play around with Roblox, taking a trade here. I kind of wonder if my stop loss is a little too tight. It is, it's a little too tight. I'm gonna sell it there. I'm gonna adjust my stop to the average is 35 cents. I'm at 15 right now, that's pretty tight. So I'll just set my stop loss at 25 cents. Hopefully it'll drop back down a little bit. Where's a good place to get in on this stock? I'm just not sure. Maybe on the EMA. Okay, Roblox right there. Quick bounce up. Ooh. Must have a bit of a spread on Roblox there. Okay, back in again. Quick jump up. Back out. Okay. Really probably should have held that for the move back up through the highs, because it looks like Roblox might start trending, but we'll wait and let it actually start trending. See, my thought was that it might drop down a little further to the VWAP in these EMAs. So this is nice, higher low. But it's trading below the VWAP on that. It could turn around and go up. But this is the one I've lost big on so far today. I'm down 209. Ooh. I'm worried about it whipping back down. Roblox. Try that again. Ooh, I don't know about this. Yeah. Ooh, back out. Well, that was unfortunate. I was up $100 on Roblox, and, so I'm still doing better than I was. I'm still down only 165. So, yeah, I took a chance and it didn't work. That's the way trading goes. Sometimes it just does not work. Yeah, with GLBE being this overextended and at that $18 level, I'm gonna be looking for more of a pullback here. But I'm not sure to what line or to what level. I just don't have a clue at the moment. It didn't really give us a good support on the way up. It didn't pull back and create a nice little area of support. You got this red bar where it pulled back here, so you could say, well, maybe this is an area right there, but then you're trading below the VWAP if it comes down to there. Now I've got this. So I just don't know. And when I say I don't know, that makes me nervous. That's like, well, if I don't know, then I probably shouldn't do it. I probably shouldn't buy, right? Now, declining volume on this pullback. I could try for an entry at 1740. There is an EMA there. That 5-minute candle has 2 minutes left. ABCD pattern here. Quite possibly. Seems like it's struggling a bit. I was thinking if this were to break out over that candle, I might try to get in it. See where you have your oops, my line sucked. B, C, and then breakout. Maybe. I just don't like how extended this is. Really does need to pull back. I think any breakout could be met with an instant failure. What else? I see NEO on the gap scan. Or not the gap scan, but the Hive Day Momentum Scanner. Oh, NEO is trending. Let's pull up NEO. I'm done with Roblox. You can see that big red candle on Roblox. That I have no interest in trading it anymore. But NEO here, it's also extended. This could be the thing. This could be where a lot of these stocks are just extended. I do like the consolidation happening here on PPSI. I don't know. I'm tempted. You know what I need to do? I'm going to pause this. We're going to back it up because Neo's frozen. So I'm going to back it up. Well, back it up to the beginning of this candle. And of course, I'm going to have to set the time on all the other computers. Ooh, taking a while to load. Okay, and now I'll push play. There we go. I'm going to buy that. And I'll add back again. Looking for the break through the high. Boy, that really should be going by now. I'm out a partial there. Can we get the breakthrough 18? I'm out there. Just didn't seem to want to do it. And it might do it here, but that's not what I was looking for. So down only 135 now, so made small profits on that. Now Neo, there is a spot here for an entry. I don't even have this set up on my margin yet. Let's see if I can... Ooh. 9 cents. The lowest I can do is 29 cents, so it would be hard to make money on Neo. If GLBE can pull... There it goes, breaking through. I was going to say if it could pull back one more time and let me get in. Now, is it going to be a breakout and then a drop back down? This is really kind of a flat top breakout. You got this flat top across here. That's what they call it, as a flat top. And then you've got this consistent higher lows on the way up. Now that's a really nice break. A lot of buying there. I only made a little bit of money on that. I just don't like how this one's just grinding. It's just taking forever for it to break these levels. Okay. It just didn't go higher, did it? So that might be where the rejection comes in. Just because, you know, we are overextended up here. PPSI taking a long time to get down to 370. And I'm not even sure I'd want to buy it. Is this a falling wedge? That is the question. It does look like it, doesn't it? I'll bite. It's a downtrend. It's kind of risky doing this. Just never mind that line that's there. That's nothing. Not gonna get much off of this. I sold it there. I didn't get from it. I don't even think I got $10. I got $9 off of that. Just realizing that I can't get a small enough order. Now here's a little bounce on NEO, but it doesn't matter to me. I'm not trading NEO. See the average candle here? I'd have to have a stop loss at 7 cents or less to make money on this, to make good money. But the lowest I can go is 29. And so that means if I get in here, my stop loss is going to be way down here. My target's going to be way up high. So the stock would have to move a long ways just to hit my target. On PPSI, I would expect this to go up and hit that line. But I just wasn't sure if this was the bottom line for this, and now it's looking more like it is. NEO, you little devil. Well, it's 656. Oh, dang. It would be a small risk getting in here. So I'm doing it. But look how far away my target is. Holy cow. And what I'll do is just move my stop loss up here. So, oh, I guess you couldn't see the chart where I was talking about how far away my target is, but you can even see it here. My target's nowhere to be seen. It's way up there. This is not bad. I'm going to go ahead and just take the profit, $31. Get back up to the charts here. Sorry about that. You can see what's happening. So I don't even know if I had it on the charts when I took this trade, but there's this falling wedge, and I'm going to take a trade here at 370. If it gets to 370, or maybe 372. There I'm in at 372. Oh. And I might make a little bit. I made a little bit on it. So there we go. So now I'm going to get rid of PPSI. Maybe. Well, I'll keep it around. Get rid of some of these lines. What am I sitting at on the day? I'm down $86. That's not bad. Slowly making my way back after those hard hits that I took in the first couple of minutes of the day. I'm trying to be really picky in my trades that I'm taking. Boy, I want to jump in Neo. Well, I mean, I'm not risking much, really, by getting into Neo. Move that order down. I broke. I just can't honestly trade Neo and make real good money at it, so it's like my only good stock right now to trade is GLBE. Average candles 32 cents. I'm going to move my stop down to 25 cents. So we see how we hit this line, and I took that trade there and I sold it real quick, but you know, it's heading back up. I would expect it to hit this line. And this stock could keep bouncing back and forth between these lines. You could keep on trading that until it doesn't work anymore. Nice pullback. I'll take a shot at it. Wow. PPSI breaking right through that. Very nice. I'm adding there. I'm exiting that first one for a small win. Took a starter on PPSI in this pullback. Looking for a break through the VWAP. Taking some profit there. I'm going to jump back out over here because I don't like PPSI. So down only 59 now on the day. It's always nice when you can look back and say, oh, I should have held that. And I might look and say, oh, I should have held this one too. There are a lot of shoulda, coulda, wouldas. But I try to learn from those shoulda, coulda, wouldas. For next time, maybe I can say I did. It's a never-ending learning process. You get to learn how to deal with your frustrations and your fears. And I'm going to get back out of that. So I gave back a little. I'll try it one more time. Nope. Back out. I didn't want that to drop down below this low. I was looking for an ABCD setup. I'm just not feeling like I want to take too much risk today. So we're going the other direction now, down 115. And that's going to do it for me. I'm really done this time. I could see where there are some good opportunities still here, but because I'm going the wrong way, it's time for me to stop, and we'll try it again tomorrow. So I appreciate everybody for tuning in. It's been really great making these videos so far, and I'm hoping that you're learning something from them. And I'll keep putting them out, and I look forward to hearing any comments that anybody has, any suggestions how I can make them better. And hit that like button if you like them. And I'll see you next time. Thank you, friends, for tuning in, and have a great rest of your day.